In this video, we will discuss the health benefits of eating oats and oatmeal. Before we proceed to this video, don't forget to click the like button, share to your friends, subscribe to Early 7 YouTube channel, and click the bell icon for more rad-clusive videos. Oats are among the healthiest grains on earth. They're a gluten-free whole grain and a great source of important vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Studies show that oats and oatmeal have many health benefits. Here are the 9 evidence-based health benefits of eating oats and oatmeal. 1. Oats are incredibly nutritious. Oats are loaded with important vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant plant compounds. Half a cup 78 grams of dry oats contains manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, iron, zinc, folate, vitamin B1 and vitamin B5. 2. Whole oats are rich in antioxidants, including avenanthramides. Whole oats are high in antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds called polyphenols. Most notable is a unique group of antioxidants called avenanthramides, which are almost solely found in oats. Avenanthramides may help lower blood pressure levels by increasing the production of nitric oxide. This gas molecule helps dilate blood vessels and leads to better blood flow. 3. Oats contain a powerful soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Oats contain large amounts of beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber. Beta-glucan partially dissolves in water and forms a thick, gel-like solution in the gut. The health benefits of beta-glucan fiber include reduced LDL and total cholesterol levels, reduced blood sugar and insulin response, increased feeling of fullness, and increased growth of good bacteria in the digestive tract. 4. They can lower cholesterol levels and protect LDL cholesterol from damage. Oats may lower the risk of heart disease by reducing both total and LDL cholesterol and protecting LDL cholesterol from oxidation. Many studies have shown that the beta-glucan fiber in oats is effective at reducing both total and LDL cholesterol levels. Beta-glucan may increase the excretion of cholesterol-rich bile, thereby reducing circulating levels of cholesterol in the blood. Oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which occurs when LDL reacts with free radicals, is another crucial step in the progression of heart disease. 5. Oats can improve blood sugar control. Due to the soluble fiber beta-glucan, oats may improve insulin sensitivity and help lower blood sugar levels. Type 2 diabetes is a common disease, characterized by significantly elevated blood sugars. It usually results from decreased sensitivity to the hormone insulin. Oats may help lower blood sugar levels, especially in people who are overweight or have type 2 diabetes. These effects are mainly attributed to beta-glucan's ability to form a thick gel that delays emptying of the stomach and absorption of glucose into the blood. 6. Oatmeal is very filling and may help you lose weight. Oatmeal may help you lose weight by making you feel more full. It does this by slowing down the emptying of the stomach and increasing production of the satiety hormone. This satiety hormone has been shown to lead to reduced calorie intake and may decrease your risk of obesity. 7. Finely ground oats may help with skin care. It's no coincidence that oats can be found in numerous skin care products. Makers of these products often list finely ground oats as colloidal oatmeal. The FDA approved colloidal oatmeal as a skin protective substance. But in fact, oats have a long history of use in treatment of itch and irritation in various skin conditions. Note that skin care benefits pertain only to oats applied to the skin, not those that are eaten. 8. They may decrease the risk of childhood asthma. Asthma is the most common chronic disease in kids. It's an inflammatory disorder of the airways, the tubes that carry air to and from a person's lungs. One study reports that feeding oats to infants before the age of 6 months is linked to a decreased risk of childhood asthma. 9. Oats may help relieve constipation. Elderly people often experience constipation, with infrequent, irregular bowel movements that are difficult to pass. Studies indicate that oat bran, the fiber-rich outer layer of the grain, may help relieve constipation in older people. One trial found that well-being improved for 30 elderly patients who consumed a soup or dessert containing oat bran daily for 12 weeks. That ends our video for the health benefits of eating oats and oatmeal. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to click the like button, share to your friends, subscribe to Early 7 YouTube channel, and click the bell icon for more rad-clusive videos.